we get to see cards of three different colors here. The purple ones all show hundreds, the orange ones all show tens, and the green ones show ones. Students pick a card from each color, purple, orange, and a green one, create a number, and show their understanding of the number using the task card. This is 300s, 7 tens or 70, and 5. So when I hide the zeros, it is 375. So number is 375. Now for expanded form, I just have to show the zeros. 300s, 375 is 300 plus 70 plus 5. Now verbal representation is 375 has 300s, 7 tens, and 5 ones. Base 10 representation. Students use these base 10 blocks. This is 100 flat, 10 long, and units. 100 flats, the symbol for 100 flats is a square, and it's called 100 flat. Sorry, flat. And this is 10 long. It's the long stick and called 10 long. And this is units, and these are shown, units are shown with a dot, or ones are shown with a dot. Now for 375, this is our number. 300 flats, 1, 2, 300 flats, 7 of these 10 longs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10 longs, and 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now place value. 375 has 5 ones, 7 tens, and 3 hundreds. Word form: 300, 75. Now on a number line, I can pick any point on a number line. All these points on this number line are equidistant. That means they are placed at equal intervals. So I pick a number. This is, I pick a point. This is 375. And then I fill in rest of the number line. If this is 375, this is 376, 377, 378, 379, and 380. And to my left, this is 374, 373, 372, 371, and 370. Directions help students work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations, and this is a reference sheet for word form, all the spelling, and this is a reference sheet for base 10 blocks. Students use 100 flat. This is the real picture of 100 flat, and this is the symbol, base 10 symbol. This is 10 long symbol, and this is ones or unit symbol.